Good morning children, I welcome you all to social class. This is our second class. Yes, in our previous class we have saw about our earth and then about the shape of the earth. Yes, today we are going to see our first lesson in our social book, latitudes and longitudes. And then we all know the shape of the earth, but quite long ago the earth was considered to be flat, but after some years only they found it as a spherical shape. Yes, man had been curious to know about the shape of the earth. Quite long ago the earth was considered to be flat. The earth's shape was compared with many things, but nothing was found exactly like the earth. Yes, the man, they were very curious to know about the shape of our earth, but at first they considered it as a flat in shape, and then they compared many things along with the earth, but they could not found any exact shape of the earth. But now we all know that earth is an spherical in shape, but it is flat at the north pole and south pole. Yes, and the top and bottom it is in flat shape. And then the globe is the spherical representation of the earth with the map on its surface. Yes, globe, it looks as like as the earth. By the globe only we are getting our accurate way of the earth. Yes, the globe, it helps us to understand the earth in a simple and accurate way. Yes, with the help of globe only we are getting our correct location and shape and size also. Yes, the study of globe, it says that the globe gives the correct shape, size and location of the continents and the ocean on the earth. Yes, by the globe only we are locating our continent and then ocean and then other shapes and size of the earth also. Yes, look at the picture, the figure 1. It is a spherical and one simple dot is there. Can you say the place where it were dotted? Yes, we can't say a place, but in the second figure we can say it in the upper half of the circle. And then see, look at the figure 3rd. It were divided and then there were a direction also, east, west, north, south, and now we can say it as the place it were located near east to northern part. Yes, and then actually without any point of reference we cannot locate a place on the earth. Yes, certain imaginary lines enables us to understand the location and direction of a place. Yes, through the imaginary lines drawn on the earth we can locate a place. And then look at the point in the circles in figure 1, 2, 3. In figure 1 it is very difficult to give the location of the point. In the figure 2 we can say that the point is in the upper half of the circle. In figure 3 it is easier to locate by expressing that the point is between the northern half and the eastern half of the circle. Yes, we can locate if there is any imaginary lines. Yes, we know that the earth rotates on an imaginary fixed line called the axis. Yes, earth it rotates around by an imaginary line that is called an axis, and it has 2 points which we call the north pole and south pole. Yes, I have already said, no, it is in flat shape. Yes, see the north pole and south pole, and the equator, it divides our earth into 2 equal parts. Yes, that's all children. In next class we will see the remaining. Note down your homework. Define axis. What is the shape of our earth? Write any 2 points about globe. Yes, read your book page number 5 and then you can answer it. And write it in your note and submit it to your class teacher. Yes, thank you children.